Can anyone tell us why all air conditioning penetrations look like this? Well, we finally found a solution at Rona from a company called Airex. Their 2-in-1 solution combines the Titan outlet, which seals wall penetrations and isolates vibration, with the E-FlexGuard, a rugged jacket that shields insulation from weather, UV, and physical damage. So say goodbye to air leaks, moisture intrusion, and insulation degradation. Oh, and did we mention it looks a million times better? Well, it does. But let me show you how it works. We all know that the smallest gaps in an HVAC envelope can lead to skyrocketing energy bills, compromised indoor air quality, and let's face it, it looks sloppy. Yet we still rely on caulk, foam, adhesive tape, or rigid sleeves that quickly fail under weather, vibration, or rodent attacks. Well, you do. We don't. We rely on the Airex Pro System now. And the best part is that it's super easy to install and creates a perfect seal even on irregular surfaces, and no messy sealants are required. The outlet body is available in 1-piece and 2-piece assemblies in a variety of sizes and colors, which means no matter what the outside of your house or the wall penetrations on it look like, they've got a model for you. In this demonstration, we're using the Airex Titan retrofit outlet to cover a standard air conditioning line set. The first thing you'll notice is that the outlet body unscrews and comes apart in 2 separate pieces, which allows you to easily and effectively surround and seal the existing penetration. What you'll notice is the Titan's elastomeric sleeve will compress around the piping to create an airtight, waterproof seal that blocks any water intrusions. Unlike rigid flashings, the flexible sleeve accommodates building movement and vibration without compromising performance. The result is a permanent seal. Once the 2 pieces of the body are realigned, screw them back together using the supplied screws, then slide the entire assembly up against your house. Once you're happy with how it's sitting, it's time to mechanically fasten the outlet to the house. To do this, we're going to use the supplied multi-material screws and the weatherproof washers that are included. As you tighten the outlet, notice that the wall surface gasket compresses, and the durable PVC foam creates a positive seal even on irregular surfaces. This high-quality gasket seal will protect your house from weather and eliminate rodent and pest intrusion. Not to mention, it'll put an end to unwanted air leakage, which will reduce moisture damage to the walls and increase overall efficiency, as well as improve indoor air quality, all without the use of messy sealants or specialty tools, which means that it's removable and can be routinely serviced and reused. So whether you're working on central or ductless systems, residential or commercial, the Airex Pro System Kit is your go-to for clean, code-compliant installs. And now that we've addressed the point of penetration, both functionally and aesthetically, how do we protect the line set insulation? Outdoor insulation faces relentless UV rays, moisture, wind, and physical damage. Foam and tape degrade under UV exposure and temperature swings, trapping moisture that leads to mold and insulation breakdown. And that brings us to the second part of the Pro System Kit, the E-FlexGuard. Think of it as a protective jacket made from UV-resistant PVC that acts as a Class 2 vapor retarder, which means it's impermeable to liquid water, yet breathable for vapor. It fastens mechanically and without adhesives, which means you won't be dealing with tape failure now or anytime in the future. The stainless steel clamp secures both the sleeve and insulation guard, isolating vibration and keeping pests out. So where can we get our hands on these? Well, in our opinion, the best place to get them is at Rona, where they stock the entire Airex product line. So whether you're looking to buy products individually or as the Pro System Kit as we just showed, they have everything you need. So in an era where codes demand airtight envelopes and customers demand durability, the Airex Pro System Kit stands alone. So now, not only are your wall penetrations functional and protected, now they look good too.